Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable the Java update notification on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type regit REGET. Here opens registry editor. You want to right click on it or run as administrator over here and user control your device. Click yes. You want to go to HKey local machine folder over here and you want to go to software and now you want to go to wow WOW 6432 node. Expand it guys. You want to go expand the wow 6432 node and you want to go to Java soft over here and you want to expand the Java update folder over here and double click on it. Policies on right side you want to if you are having enable Java update folder over here. If you're not having there, you need to create it. You want to right click on it, new, and devote 32 value. You need to name it as enable ENABLE Java, no space guys, Java update. Enable Java update, press enter, double click on it. You want to value data to 1, click OK, and that's it. Close it guys, close out of here. That's it for today's video. Go and restart your PC for make changes guys. Thanks for watching my video.